Hello everyone, welcome to the Art and Craft Villa. I'm Kiran Raje and today we are going to make beautiful and colorful butterflies. So, for this butterfly we require transparent plastic bottle and we need to cut this. So, I will use this paper cutter and use this paper cutter carefully. I will cut little bit, then I will use scissors. So, with scissors it will be very easy to cut. Actually we require flat part of this bottle, so I am cutting it like this. And if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the creative videos update first. Now it's cutted and we got that flat part of plastic like this. So now we require one piece of paper and pen or marker. Fold this paper like this and we need to draw half butterfly. Like this we need to draw half butterfly. Now fold it again and then cut. Now open it and butterfly is ready. So other side also do marker lines. And this cutout is going to be ready for our butterflies. Now keep this butterfly like this and keep your that plastic sheet over this butterfly and trace this with marker pen. And it's done. Now we need to cut this butterfly again. And really it's very easy to cut with scissors. And this video and technique is new for you, then please like and comment me. Same like this you can make many butterflies. And it's done. You can cut more butterflies. Now we require acrylic colors. So I'm using yellow acrylic color. It's done. and it's done. Same, you can make more butterflies. I'm using green shade on another butterfly. Now I'll give little bit shading of orange shade. Here I'll do shading with dark green shade. Now we require black color and make few patterns over there. And please comment how it's looking. Now same on another butterfly, we will make few patterns and make ready. Now I am taking white color, white acrylic color, and making some patterns like this. Not exactly dots, but little bit pattern like of dots. This is ready, and now on another butterfly, this green one butterfly, I'll use stones, kundan stones. You can place like this. You can decorate your butterflies with kundan stones and multicolor stones. If you are liking this, then please subscribe, like, share and comment. Like this, we will decorate our butterfly. It's ready. Now we need to fold it from center like this. Press it like this. All the butterflies we need to fold. Now at the last, I will use this type of dual side tape to stick these butterflies. Only you need to take care that don't scratch these colors, otherwise these colors will peel off. You need to keep it carefully. So these butterflies are ready. I hope you are liking this beautiful and colorful butterflies. You can paste it anywhere like this, on wall or anywhere on flowers. Thank you so much for watching.